Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best step ladders which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1, Louisville Ladder Aluminum 8-foot Ladder. The Louisville Ladder 8 feet aluminum step ladder got our top pick as best step ladder because it's great for home and commercial use. It's tall enough that it's the only ladder you'll need. It can bear 300 pounds despite being constructed of lighter-weight aluminum, and it's jam-packed with features. Some of those features include a magnet shelf at the top in case you need something to hold nails and screws, a paint shelf, and slots for tools. Since safety is always an issue when it comes to ladders, it's got safety features worth mentioning. In addition to supporting 300 pounds worth of user and materials, it's also got angled feet for stability and steel braces to hold it together and maintain a long life. It's definitely on the expensive side. If you're on a budget and just need a stepladder to help store things, you'll want to keep looking. Otherwise, this sets the bar for excellence. Number 2, Delxo Folding 3 Feet Stepladder. Delxo's Folding 3 Feet Stepladder isn't the most inexpensive stepladder we reviewed, but for something that folds down as thin as it does, it packs in a lot of quality. For that reason, we gave it our best for the money ranking. It starts with safety. The Delxo is capable of holding 330 pounds of person and materials. The locking mechanism prevents it from closing inadvertently, and non-skid feet help maintain stability even when you're on the top part. If you need to store something heavy on a shelf that's too high to reach safely standing on your feet, you can step onto it with confidence. Once you're done, it folds down so you can stash it just about anywhere. All that comes at something of a price. In this case, it's not dollars, it's in weight. It's a little heavier than you might expect or want. Pros: great value. Holds a lot of weight. Folds down for easy storage. Made with safety in mind. Cons: on the heavy side. Number 3, Flip-N-Lite 5-foot platform stepladder. Flip-N-Lite's 5-foot platform stepladder is ideal for apartments where a full-sized ladder would be a liability. It offers great floor-to-ceiling reach, even to hobbit-sized people, and safety features to inspire confidence. One of our favorite things about it is that you can open it with one hand. If you've got a bag of groceries and need to store them, you can carry and set this up with the hand that's not carrying food. It's also got rubber, vinyl feet that can form and stick to whatever surface you're using it on, so you can step up it without worrying that it'll slide. If you're looking for a full-sized stepladder for an apartment, it's a great choice. If you're looking for something a little less, however, be aware that this one is also a little more expensive than other stepladders and is a bit on the heavy side. Pros: lots of range. One-hand opening. Rubber, vinyl feet. Cons: expensive. On the heavy side. Number 4, Louisville 10 feet Fiberglass Stepladder. The Louisville Ladder 10 feet Fiberglass Stepladder pushes the bottom range of the stepladder's maximum height. Anything above that, and the safety benefits that come from a stepladder's A-frame design start to diminish. It's built with safety in mind for work at its upper reaches. It's got angled aluminum legs with rubber feet to stay put, and heavy-duty braces, both of which are important if you're working at 7 or 8 feet. You wouldn't ordinarily think of tool
series
slots
aluminum
as a
step
safety
ladder
feature,
from Louisville
but being
Ladder
able
is
to keep
ideal
your
for painters
tools
and
at
light
the top
general
of your
industry.
ladder means fewer trips up and down. At 10 feet, it does push the boundaries of how tall you want a stepladder, most of which are 9 feet or less. It's also much more expensive than the other ladders we've looked at. If you're looking for a basic ladder to help you do basic jobs, you can find one that costs less. Pros: suitable as a home ladder. Super safe. Tools
Are equipped with the strong and durable Pro Top, which promotes
the
productivity
definition of
and efficiency
stepladder.
from the
Number 5, Costco 3-step big step folding step stool. If you just need a little extra altitude, Costco's 3-step big step folding step stool gives you just 3 feet. That doesn't sound like a lot, but inside a home, that's probably enough. It's comfortable to stand on, with wide resin-coated steps that will hold your feet in place. It also folds to a compact size, perfect for putting away just about anywhere between uses. At the price, it's also a pretty good value. What you won't like are some things involving the weight. The load capacity is about 200 pounds, which could be problematic. It's also got plastic feet, so it might have trouble staying in one place, even though it says it is non-skid. Finally, it advertises as being 6 pounds, but is closer to 13. Pros: good value, comfortable to stand on, folds to compact size. Cons: weighty, plastic feet, low weight capacity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.